This video is on ecosystems. An ecosystem is a living community of plants and animals and the physical factors upon which they depend. The four elements of an ecosystem are climate, soil, vegetation, and animals. Now, climate goes at the top because on a world scale is the most important factor. Climate affects vegetation, animals, and the soil. Okay, first of all, the climate affects soil because soil will only be fertile in a warm and wet climate, so it gets its nutrients. If the climate was dry and there was no rainfall, then there would be no growth for the soil. So obviously the climate affects the soil greatly. Now the soil then affects the vegetation, as if the soil is not fertile, the vegetation can't grow. However, from this arrow here, you can see that vegetation also affects the soil. This is because when leaves decay, they allow the soil to take up its valuable nutrients again to help make the soil fertile. Climate also affects vegetation, as plants need heat and water to grow, obviously, but vegetation also affects the climate because when plants lose water by transpiration, this releases water into the atmosphere. If there's more water in the atmosphere, then more rainfall will occur as a consequence. So if vegetation was removed, then there'll be less rainfall, and if there was less rainfall, then the soil will become less fertile because they need water to grow, and also no vegetation means no valuable nutrients. And obviously animals eat vegetation, so that's how and vegetation supplies food for the animals, so that's how they link. And the climate affects animals because obviously that's if there was, for example, if animals such as polar bears were in hot environments, they would not survive, and if camels were in the Arctic, they won't survive. They won't survive either. So that's it basically. This is ecosystems.